In this video, I am going to explain what VLOOK is and how it works as a built-in function of Microsoft Excel. Vertical lookup is abbreviated as VLOOKUP. It's a function that instructs Excel to seek for a specific value in a column before returning a value from another column in the same row. Let's begin. The VLOOKUP function in Excel is a built-in function that allows you to search across several columns. It's called VLOOKUP and consists of the following elements: equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis lookup value, comma, table array, comma. Note that the column containing the lookup data must always be on the left. When you need to find something in a table or arrange by row, use VLOOKUP. Use the component number to search up the price of an automotive part, or use the employee ID to seek up an employee's name. The VLOOKUP function is defined as follows: equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis return an approximate or exact match, expressed as 1 or true, or 0 as false, based on for what you're wondering to search for, where you want to search it, and the column number in the range keeping the value to return. How to use. The key to using VLOOKUP is to arrange your data so that the value you're looking for, fruit, is to the left of the value you're looking for, amount. To look up a value in a table, use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP open parenthesis lookup value, comma, table array, comma, col index num, comma, open bracket, range lookup, close bracket, close parenthesis, is VLOOKUP. What should you do first? In order to construct the VLOOKUP syntax, you'll need 4 pieces of information. 1. The value you're looking for, also known as the lookup value. 2. The range in which the lookup value can be found. For VLOOKUP to perform properly, the lookup value must always be in the first column of the range. If you are finding a desired value in cell C2, for example, your range should start with C. 3. The number of the column in the range containing the return value. For example, if the range is B2 colon D11, the first column should be B, the second should be C, and so on. 4. You can optionally specify true for an approximate match and false for an exact match of the return value. If you don't indicate anything, true approximate match will always be the default option. Now, combine what you've learned thus far. Equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, range containing the lookup value, comma, column number in the range containing the return value, comma, approximate match, true, or exact match, false. Close parenthesis. What is the purpose of VLOOKUP? Use the VLOOKUP function when you need to find information in a large spreadsheet or when you are always seeking for the same type of information. VLOOKUP operates in the same manner that a phone book does, in that you start with the data you already have, such as a person's name, and work your way down to the data you don't have, such as their cell phone number. This was all from my side to guide you about the built-in function of Microsoft Excel called VLOOKUP. Have you found this video useful? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.